Hi everyone, my name is Diane.
And my name is Olivia.
We're both PhD students here at Queen's, as well as graduates of the Masters of Anatomical Sciences program.
We're excited to give you a tour today of the Queen's University Anatomy Learning Center. With hundreds of bones, specimens, and anatomical models, it's considered one of the finest in Canada.
This facility is used by both undergraduate students as well as healthcare professionals like nurses, physiotherapists, and doctors, where they have the opportunity to learn anatomy as well as practice things like surgical skills.
The Anatomy Learning Center is divided into two main parts, the Dissection Lab and the Anatomy Museum. Let's go take a look.
Welcome to the main dissection lab. This is where cadaveric materials are put out for students to learn. These specimens are preserved in a fluid that protects the integrity of the tissue, but also allows them to be safely handled by individuals. These specimens are often dissected so that specific organs like the heart, lungs, or the intestines could be removed so that students get a nice up-close look at these specimens.
The cadaveric specimens were donated by individuals through the Cadaveric Body Donation Program, which we'll talk about a little bit later. So all students in this facility treat the specimens with the utmost respect.
Take a look around.
Welcome to the Anatomy Museum. There are hundreds of bones, jarred specimens, plastinated specimens, and anatomical models inside. Let's go take a look. The jarred specimens have been dissected to show specific structures, for example, the circulation of the heart or the musculature of the foot. They're stored in a preservative solution called a formaldehyde solution. And when it's stored in this, it can last for decades.
Let's also talk about plastinates. So these are cadaveric materials, but the tissue has actually been replaced with plastic. So it looks exactly like it would in the body, but it's safe to handle even without gloves. Let's go take a look at the small group learning space.
So during labs in this space, different jarred specimens, plastinates, anatomical models, and bones are set out to reflect the lab content being taught that week, and students can interact with them.
This is a great opportunity for students to practice learning material in a small group setting to get up close and personal with the anatomical specimens.
The generous donation of individuals to the Human Body Donation Program enables research and experiential learning in anatomy to happen here. So what we like to think of it as, those generous individuals who donate their body continue teaching experiences even after they donate their bodies.
So let's talk about the process of human body donation. So an individual who would like to donate their body to the Queen's Human Body Donor Program would fill out a form that specifies upon their death that their body would go to both education and research purposes here at Queen's. Upon an individual's death, someone from the Queen's Anatomy Learning Center would go over and make sure that the body is suitable for donation. If the body is suitable for donation, transportation arrangements are made to the Anatomy Learning Center, upon which the body would be embalmed and stored at Queen's. Unfortunately, some circumstances mean that bodies are not able to be accepted to the Queen's Human Body Donor Program. For example, if it's been more than 48 hours since death, or if it has been a motor vehicle accident.
Each spring, Queen's University holds a burial service for those who have donated their bodies and their time has finished at Queen's. So usually the time span that an individual donates their body is between 1 to 3 years. Again, this is for either research or for anatomy learning.
Welcome to the Biochemistry and Microbiology labs. These spaces are used by both undergraduate and graduate students for research and as a part of the courses here at Queen's.
Students learn a unique set of skills here, including pipetting, plating bacterial cultures, as well as handling various microorganisms during their experiments.
Welcome to the Physiology, Pharmacology, and Toxicology Lab here at Queen's. This space is used by both undergraduate students in addition to medical students during their time here at Queen's.
The courses that run in this lab usually use animal models to study different physiological mechanisms of both animals and humans. They also use animal models to study different pharmacotherapeutic effects of various drugs.
Thanks so much for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour of these lab spaces here at Queen's.
We hope to see you around campus very soon.